Hello guys! Welcome back to my video. Guys, unboxing tayo guys. Shopee guys. Sapatos guys. Sa halagang 204. Tingnan natin guys kung anong klase. Tadang! Tingnan natin. Uy! Alak ka guys. Ayan guys, guma pala guys. Ayan siya guys. Okay naman guys. Ayan Diba okay? Okay guys, ayan 204. Ayan guys. 204. Sukat natin guys para malaman talaga natin kung okay naman siya guys. Hala, ayan lang pala yung style niya guys. Ang problema, malaki pa ako dito kasya guys. Tingnan natin guys ha. Ayan guys, kasya guys. Ayan siya guys, susukat natin guys. Wait lang guys, tingnan nyo guys. Ayan guys, sukat natin. Tapos pag ganon siya, pag ganon. Ganyan Ganyan. 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 Ganyan lang siya guys. $204. Ayan guys. Isa guys. Kaluka naman. Ito pala yung 204 guys. Parang sira. Ano to? Tinupi kasi. Kita nyo guys. Yan. Ipakita ko sa inyo ngayon guys. Kuya pa ito pang jogging guys. Gaya na guys, ang ating sapatos na mahalin 2,400. 204 lang pala. Yan guys. Taan nyo? Yan. Diba? Ayan siya guys. Yan Yan, tagalin na natin guys. Ayan. This is my shoes. Guys. Okay. Ayan na guys. So, yun lang muna guys. Ayan yung ating shoes na halagang 204 guys. Ayan lang muna ang ating video for today. Ayun guys. Thank you so much guys for watching.